Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Being in Luck. Before this video rolls out, I actually currently have it in edit right now. I want to give a huge thank you to, I don't even know how high of a thank you I can express through camera. But the lady who basically hooked me up with these vehicles, she's so cool. She even went to as far as getting me the service manuals and owner's manuals and past paperwork on repairs done to these vehicles, and she's just super awesome. And I want to say thank you, Kathy, for letting me have this experience with these vehicles, and it's just super awesome of you to do that. Okay, also, it was super windy that day, and some of the audio is just kind of so bear with me on that. I tried my best. There was a lot of that going on, so yeah, it turned out to be a very good video anyway. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and you subscribe to see what else, to follow the story of these vehicles, because they're gonna be brought back better than ever. Alrighty, with that being said, let's continue on with the video. Good sunrise, everybody. Because I have my assistants back there. We're gonna finally use the truck to go get a couple cars that I got set up. 1 second, camera in here. Okay, well, that's still playing. So I got my air compressor here because one of the cars has completely flat tires in the front, and I'm gonna try to fill up the tires because that'll make it a lot easier to get it on the trailer. I don't have a winch, so I'm gonna have to use a come along. So I brought both of them, so that's gonna be a workout. And yeah, I guess I had to grab this. I don't know how, I can't grab that. I need two hands to grab that. It's kind of weird. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and hop in the rig, and we're going to take off, because then we'll get there perfectly right on time. Okay, it's going to be a fun day! Hopefully nothing fucking insane happens or anything. Alright, see you guys. So the wind really picked up, and we got to our destination, and we did all the fun part, and there's a little sneak peek of what we got. That's only one of the two, so we're gonna have to go home, drop this one off, and come back and pick up the other one. And that's it. All right. Alrighty, we got the Talon off the trailer. Dude, this thing is a proper tuner. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. It's here. It's beautiful. we made it back. Everything's intact, except for this little piece. It was flopping in the wind. I'm gonna have to glue that back down. But here we are. I'm gonna clean all this junk off of it. It's got a little dent right here, but that's literally just, it's not that big of a dent. There ain't no biggie. Other than that, this thing is mint. Just needs new paint. Just needs a clear coat. And clutch pedal just goes straight to the floor. So those are I should say the things that I noticed right away. The tires are actually good on this thing, so moving it around is going to be really easy. I'm going to wash it up, and yeah, tomorrow we're going back to work. So super windy out here right now, and truck did great. Got both the cars here safe and sound. I am going to go play with my new toys and relax and, you know, make a video about what I find. Okay. See you later. Alrighty guys, that's that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe you want to stick around and subscribe to the channel. That'd be super awesome. Yeah, in the next video we're going to be diving in deeper into these vehicles and trying to get them running. You know what to do if you want to see that. Alright, later guys.